Hey everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have the Galaxy Tab A and I'm going to unbox it. Come on, let's get started. Let's open it up. We have some text written on the stickers. We have the 267 and we have 10.5 inches. We have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A written over there. We have the Samsung warranty card written over there. And let me read out the LTE with the same 32 GB internal storage, 6 GB of RAM, over there. We have 267.2 mm, 10.5 inches. We have the 1.8 octa core GSZ processor over there. We have 8.0 MP AF camera with the flash and front camera 5 MP with the 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of memory, 7300 mAh battery, Dolby Atmos sound effect, Full HD playback and Full HD recording. Let's open the box and let's check what you get in the back. We have the tablet over there. Let's first start. We have the case over there, leather case. And what else do we get? Let's check it out. We have the setup informations. We have the warranty card, quick start guide, and let's go to the model number of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. We have SMT595. We have the camera, which is 12 MP, 8 MP back camera, front camera 5 MP. Let's go to the ports of the tablet over there. Screen protector attached. On the top we have the headphone jack 3.5 mm with the speakers. On the right we have the power button and the volume button. We have the SIM and the SD card slot. As it is LTE, there will be SIM with it. The SIM ejection tool over there. When you pull out, the SIM and the SD card slot will be all there. And then let's check it out. We have on the bottom we have the charger, USB type C charging port. Let's put the tablet over to the case so that it may be protective. The screen protector already attached onto the tablet over there. You can put the stand mode, you can put the tablet mode, you can put in the holding. Let's power on it. There's a tablet mode, stand mode before. We have the Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you press the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get like these videos. Please don't forget to watch my live today. Thank you.